Are you unsure about how to start the probate process in California? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to correctly get probate underway so that you do it right the first time. In this video, I'll discuss how to start the probate process, what documents are needed, who sets the hearing dates in probate, what publication of notice is, and how the process may differ from county to county. The probate process is started by filing a petition for probate with the probate court. A probate petition can be to admit a will to probate, or you can start without a will. Of course, you should do what's appropriate for your situation. If you are seeking the admission of a will to probate, then a copy of that will must be attached to the petition for probate. In addition to the petition for probate, a form called Duties and Liabilities of the Personal Representative and a confidential supplement have to be filed with a probate court, and they get filed at the same time as the petition for probate. You'll also need to file your order for probate and your letters. Now, these two documents are treated differently from one county to the next. In some counties, they want those two documents submitted along with the probate petition. Other counties want them submitted only after the probate petition has been approved. So it's important that you either check the local rules or check with your attorney to make sure that you submit them at the correct time. When the probate petition has been filed with the clerk of the court, it's the clerk who sets the first hearing date. And when that first hearing date will be varies widely from one county to the next in California. In some counties, you'll get a hearing date as early as about 5 weeks after the petition for probate has been filed, while in other counties, you may wait as long as 3 months for the first hearing on your petition. There's nothing you can do to set that first date. That's entirely up to the clerk of the court. After your petition for probate has been filed, but before your first hearing on the petition for probate, publication of notice has to be made in a local newspaper. That's something that's typically arranged by your attorney, but it's something that you need to know must happen. Which newspaper to use is simply going to depend upon the county that you're in, and it may even come down to the city in which your loved one passed away. Now, in addition to all these documents that I've already described, I have to tell you that different counties have their own local rules. There are some counties that have additional forms that are unique to that county that must be filed as part of your probate. In other counties, there aren't additional documents, but the court itself will generate documents as a result of your filing for probate, and you will have the responsibility of making sure that those court-generated documents are served on everybody who's entitled to notice of the petition for probate. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the subscribe bell, leave us a comment. We'll be glad to respond if you do, and give us a thumbs up.